Step one of the process of the Finosec cybersecurity assessment tool is going through inherent risk. And just like the FFIEC cybersecurity assessment toolkit, that's where you started. It's the exact same process in the Finosec cybersecurity assessment tool. We'll actually start with your existing answers to the FFIEC CAT. We'll import those in. You can learn more information around how that process works leveraging Reggie Ranger. Once that information is in the platform, we do a couple of different things. Number one is you're going to go through and confirm your existing inherent risk answers from the FFIEC CAT. In addition, since the cybersecurity assessment toolkit from the FFIEC has not been updated since 2017, there's been some significant risks that have evolved in that period of time. As part of the inherent risk process, we've added an additional section called Emerging Technologies. And we've actually went through the process of defining questions to expand the inherent risk and update it based on today's banking environment. Now, the process is intentionally made easy for you because we're leveraging your existing process of what you've already had in place of answering the inherent risk questions and validating the ones you've had, adding additional to make sure we have a comprehensive view. And as we go into step 2 and step 3, you'll see this consistent process of mimicking the FFIEC CAT process. So step 2, we'll talk about next, which is the controls.